How's it going today, folks? I'm Zach from Dean's Stove and Spa, and I'm here to tell you guys today all about our refurbished stoves that are available to you. Now, all of the stoves that we refurbish here at Dean's are brought to us by our trade-in program. Essentially, when you come in to buy a new stove, you have the option to use your old stove's value as a trade-up towards a new stove. From the time of trade-in, all stoves are brought back here to our refurb department, where they go through a full-blown inspection where we determine what needs to be replaced or modified, and then we use our wide variety of tools and skill sets to achieve the best end result possible. After a refurbished stove hits our showroom, it's going to look just as good as new. Our ever-changing stock of refurbished stoves is available to you at a first-come, first-served basis. So come on and take a look at our Plantsville location, where you'll be able to see everything we have to offer to you.